guys, welcome back to this session. So today we are going to teach you how to connect an Ethernet cable to your laptop. So what you need is a router that has an internet, your laptop that has an internet adapter cable.
What are you saying? What is he saying?
Port, and then the other thing you need is just the Ethernet cable. Just a few minutes. So this is Ethernet cable which is already crimped. So if you don't know how to crimp, you can go to my account and you'll see another video where I've taught you how to crimp an Ethernet cable. So just come here and crimp the Ethernet cable on the router, just like that. After you have done that, the other port should crimp it on your laptop, just like that. Give it a few seconds. So as you can see, it's already connected to the internet. If you want to confirm, you can just open your laptop, go maybe to a site and test maybe the Ethernet speed. So as you can see, the net has been connected successfully, and that's how you crimp the Ethernet cable from the router to your laptop. Hope you learned something new, and see you on the other one. Bye bye.